artifact, human. Give me the glasses.
This is what you want, right? They're all yours!
Starscream here. I have good news. We've located Megatron.
Then my plan is formulated. I will locate Bone Crusher and Brawl. You will rendezvous with me at the coordinates I'm uploading now. We are beyond concealing ourselves from the humans at this point. Dispose of any you encounter. I just love a smoking ruin. Especially one I created. Decepticons, this is Starscream. Make for the rendezvous point. The Allspark will soon be ours.
Starscream, my scans aren't registering any traces of the Allspark or Megatron. Their signatures must be concealed by the structure somehow.
Then we'll have to tear it down piece by piece until we find them.
It will be done. Lord Megatron.
Lord Megatron.
Rise, Decepticons! We have much to do.
Lord Megatron. I have infiltrated the city. The human appears to have fled to this location with the Allspark.
Excellent! Do you understand what is at stake should you fail?
Completely, my lord. It will be done.
Sam, Caleb, this is where you get out.
Step aside, Autobot. The Allspark belongs to Megatron. I will exterminate the humans and claim it now.
You want them? You go through me.